What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over Google Ads certifications and a little bit about the Google Partner Program and Google Premier Partners. Now, for some background, I am not currently a Google Partner. I actually talked with a Google Ads rep about becoming a Premier Partner and was not overly interested. I think I meet some of the requirements to it, but they have very, very aggressive, like, we want you to spend more and add more accounts, and there are times where that is not really what my main focus is. Sometimes my focus is just on the current client. So I was like, this is not really for me. But the Google Partner Program, I am actually going to probably join it. So it's one of those, I'm talking about Premier Partner, I'm not really interested in. Google Partner Plan, I'm going to join it. So I'm just going through basically the certifications you need and how to make that happen. So let's first come over here to about Google Ads certifications. To get certifications, you need a Skillshop account. So you can actually sign up for a Skillshop account, skillshop.withgoogle.com. So once you sign up with your account, go here, you'll see Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform. It's actually a lot of really good courses in here and a lot of updated courses, like they have AI courses in here. So it's actually one of those things where I came in to be like, let me just make sure I'm completely up to date on everything. And over here in the Google Ads certification, creating your Skillshop account, that's how you get started. Why get Google certified? Basically, there's two reasons: demonstrate your expertise, help your company become a Google partner or premier partner in the Google Partners program. What are the benefits of being a Google partner or premier partner? Ultimately, you just get more support from Google, and then you also can get some of the partners. I know there are people that get promotional codes and offer codes for their existing clients that you can actually apply to your client accounts. That is not something I ever get, so not something that I have access to right now, but I think it's just added support and really being able to put a label on your website saying I am a Google partner. So it gives a little bit of trust to people, and that's kind of was my thought. I was like, let me just put the Google partner back, Google certified, get those things back on my homepage where I used to have them. So basically getting certified. For a Google Partner certification requirement, you need to pass these certifications: Google Ads Search, Display, Video, Shopping, and Apps. So these are the ones you can get at the Skillshop Google Ads certifications page. Now, to become a Google Partner or Premier Partner, I'll go over certifications in 1 second. To become a Google Partner, basically performance, it's saying your registered ads manager needs a minimum optimization score of 70%. Basically just means you need to either do the good recommendations and dismiss the ones you don't want to do. Just keep your optimization score high in your accounts. So not something that's that hard. You just kind of dismiss recommendations and keep it high. The other one is going to be spend. Your Google Ads Manager account needs a 90-day ad spend of $10,000 across managed accounts. That will be pretty easy to hit. Well, I have a lot of accounts in mind, so that'll be an easy one to hit. The Google Partners Registered Ads Manager account needs to have a minimum of 50% of your account strategists. This is what I don't have. Capped at 100 users, which with at least one certification each product area, with campaign spend of $500 or more in 90 days. So search, display, video, shopping, apps. I'm surprised you don't have like a Performance Max certification. I mean, that's kind of the new campaign, how to become a premier partner. So this one, existing client growth, new client growth, client retention. There's a lot of things here to basically become a premier partner. And I assume if you're, a much larger company, you're probably like, I'm looking only for premier partners. But ultimately it's like you're just basically following a lot of Google rules, and probably they're not overly difficult to become a premier partner, truthfully. Okay, so Skillshop. All right, so next is going to be certification. So within here, Skillshop with Google, when you open up here with Google Ads, it's going to open up a page that looks like this. So Google Ads, learn the basics, apply your skills, get certified. There's a bunch of certifications in here. It's actually one of those where I was actually like, I'm going to try to do a couple of these per week, because I think foundations of AI-powered search ads for practitioners, just some of these foundations can be really helpful when I'm trying to go over things with clients and try to say, okay, this is how it actually works. So understanding that a little bit better is definitely something that will help me. And then completing the certifications won't hurt. It's something I can put on my website. So these are ones I want to complete. The one I just recently did was the Google Ads Search certification. So I completed it. I think I got like a 90% or something. Not the easiest thing in the world. There's some confusing questions on there where there's like multiple answers that seem like they'd be correct. But yeah, I completed it. And then there's more here, like get started with AI-powered search campaigns. Like there's a lot of lessons in here. So I think it's really worthwhile getting certified. When you do get certified, they will give you, there's a nice little badge there. I actually don't know where it is on this page. Nice little badge there. I guess maybe you share it. But through the Skillshop homepage, you can see all the different options as far as like get certified, certification renew, Google search ad. So I just completed it. So you really have to do these every 365 days. I used to be on top of my certifications several years ago, and then I've just kind of gotten out of doing them. Also, I don't really run display ads anymore. I don't really run a whole lot of apps ads. Shopping I do, but Performance Max becomes the thing I do most. So the next one I'll probably do is video certification, and then shopping. Measurement I'll probably do. So a lot of these are useful. Offline sales. There's things that I know I can improve and learn more about. So getting certified, it's basically Skillshop with Google.com. If you do a quick Google search, Google Ads certification, you will get directed into the right area. And then with the partner program, so this is actually how to become a Google partner. They actually have a page, business.google.com, become a partner. So this is the page that you have. I actually am a member, so basically I don't get to put a badge or anything. I get no promotional offers. Basically, like, yeah, you do not meet the requirements. So I think I'm just a few certifications away, and then I guess dismissing a bunch of recommendations, so then I could be a partner again. So I was going to see if I can get back in the partners program. Going through the main things, it's really just $10,000 or more in spend every 90 days, managed in your manager account. And then certified, making sure that, people that are on your account are certified at least 50%. So if you have a lot of people added to your manager account, you're going to have to get a lot of people certified. And then last, but that's actually when I worked for an agency, we were always certified because that was just part of keep our Google Partners badge. And I am just don't always focus on that. I focus on getting and managing clients sometimes. So that's pretty much it as far as certification and promo codes. If you wanted like my recommendations for certifications to start with, I would say measurement and search, and then video offline sales would be useful. So some of these aren't like the AI powered performance ad certification is not one that's actually required for and doesn't count towards your like partner status or anything like that. So it's really just the apps, display, shopping, search, and video. I think in measurement. So there's like five or six that you need to pass. The ones that they list on this page are the ones that really matter. Yeah, these are the 5 that matter. So if you get these 5, then basically you can join the partner program. Otherwise, getting one, you can basically say, I'm Google Ads certified. It's going to be, yeah, I'm search certified. But basically getting all of them can give you an actual Google Ads certification, I suppose. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.